Welcome to day 21 of Take 5. We are nearing the end of this series together, and I'm so thankful you guys are still with me. All right, let's do it. 5 minutes. We go in 3, 2, 1. Have a seat down on the ground. Good. Exhale, reach those arms over your head. So inhale, full body stretch, long arms. And then I want you to come up right here. Good, just pulse. Pulse. So work on scooping that belly in and down. Now we know that crunches and sit-ups are not the end-all of core, but you want to be able to sustain this movement so that way you can hold and advance other core workouts, right? Keep going. Let's do 8, 7, shoulder blades are up, right? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, head goes down. Now, pelvic tilt, exhale, pull down, up, pull down, and up. So you're taking the belly and it's flat, and now you're making it a bowl. Belly, bowl. Good. Now make it a bowl. Exhale, sit up from that bowl. Good. Come down. Make it a bowl. Scoop down, and then sit up. 10 times harder than if we just arch the back. So again, scoop in, sit up. So my back that currently has a tiny arch now loses the arch, watch. And then you come up. All right, let's do 2 more of those. Lose the arch. Come up. One more time, okay? Lose the arch and then rise up. Good. Now raise your feet up. Perfect. It's nice and tall here. Exhale, lower. And then lift. Lower. And then lift. Let's do 4. Come up. 3. Come up. 2. Come up. 1. Rise up. Good. All right, lay on your side. Knees are bent, okay, just like this, and hands behind the head. Other arm is out. You're just gonna crunch, crunch, okay? 10, 9, keep everything together. 8, 7, 6, yeah, this one burns. 5, 4, give me a smile in 3, 2, 1. Switcheroo sides real quick. So 1, 2, 3, you can flip over or obviously change positions like I'm doing. Hand behind the head, hit it. Up, up. Good, give me 10, 9, 8, obliques, 7, 6, 5, squeeze those feet, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Plank, top of that push-up. Hold it. All right. We walk out with the arms. We walk back. We switch the arm that walks out. We walk back. Okay? So out, out, in, out, out, in. We go right, left, right, left, left, right, left. One more right. Let's go right, left, right. We go left, left, right, left. We hold. We pull single knee to chest. Good. Strong, strong, strong. Give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop those shins. Good. Now, back onto your back. Exhale, bring the head down. So, pelvic tilt, scoop the belly. Good, tight, tight, tight. Less than 90 seconds. Arms up, pulse, pulse. Come on, guys, scoop, scoop, scoop. Good, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Oh, it's burning. 2, 1. Sit up, pick up your feet. Straighten the legs if it's available. If not, keep your knees bent. Lower, lift. Lower, lift. Good. 4, up, 3, up, 2, up, 1, up. Good. Transition to your side. Give me 8, 7, 6, 5. Come on. 4, 3, 2. Other side. Quick flip. That's 4 less than we did before. Okay, ready, set, knees in. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, almost done. Come on. 2, 1, quick flip. Hold it. We go right, left, right, left, left, right, left. Come on, right. And one more. Hold plank. Woo! You did it. Knees down, little stretch back, and check it off. Day 21 in the books. I'll see you tomorrow for day 22. Good work, guys. See ya.